Alright, let's take a closer look at this. It is in here. There's the back. I believe there's some sort of gear that plugs into this area in here and turns this. Wow. Gonna change it all. A very generous, oh, there we go. Gas line. That was kind of amazing because it just immediately changed. Sometimes, you know, that number just kind of gradually. So it looks like there may be I don't know, I'm fascinated by that for some reason, that it's, how does it know just to change it immediately? You know, it doesn't gradually change it. Anyway, kind of interesting thing. If I find out more about that, or if you know why that does that, send an email to Newsletter Goldmine. I'll add it to the this product page. All right, have a great day.